Shosho guys, welcome back to Speaker Now. I'm still your boy Taylor DJ. So ngifuna ukukhomenta la ngeshow entshasha ku Metro FM ibizwa nge-Not Like Us, ishow ka Scoop Makhathini beno nomuzi ke unomuzi beno Scoop ba hip hop ke but ke ishow ayikona ishow hip hop, ishow ye lifestyle lapha. So I think lesa slot lesana sa 6 to 9 banikwe zona Saturday so ba hot kakhulu because abantu bethu abantu be hip hop laba even though ishow ngayona hip hop but I think abantu be hip hop bazobenefita when it comes to ama interviews. So nje I think ishow nje refreshing ngalendlela ngilaleli Saturday. I think that is one of the dopest show kulama show amasha eRedweni bengayilindelanga because unomuza akanayi background yaseRedweni but ke sokhumbula ke uScoop ke waba ku TV isikhathi eside nonomuza unayi background ye-TV but uScoop une experience yaseRedweni ngoba uke wasebenza lapha ku YFM isikhathi eside kakhulu khona nje le show iconic kakhulu eMzansi babenza lapha benosizwe Dlomo ke yona ke yadlala irole enkulu kakhulu ku hip hop leyo. So nje I think uScoop nje obaseRedweni ngephi nje ukumbona eseRedweni because soke wathi unyamalala isikhathi eside ke and unomuzi indlela asanda ngayeRedweni bengayilindelanga la she sounding so good bengamlindelanga lo ndlela because ngiyamazi umuntu opresenta but when it comes to radio izinto zakhona approach different but I think ukuba around eduze kwa Scoop maybe yona into emsiza ukuthi sounded this good but nje I think iMetro FM lapha no hayi iyapheka lapha le show le izoba dope kakhulu ngi-enjoyile kakhulu nje. So I think another win for hip hop kube khona abantu bethu abayo represent hip hop lapha ku radio station enkulu njenge Metro FM. So I think lo signing le anobe good so Speaker Now sayivuma nje lo show hopefully izothola another season unyaka ozayo because already le season masengiphasisile ngeke ngabona no Case Panyovis lapha engathiwa ephakamisa lapha uyekhuphula ukuthi no badingeka abantu abakhuluma izinto ezipositive eRedweni because ama podcast ahlezi ba crash and stuff ke angazi ukuthi ama podcast angena but bimnandi comment yakhe until involve ama podcast but ke ishow leyana is about to Scoop beno nomuzi no ishow idope le. So Speaker Now asibadleli mona we out.